Sanya, a 13-year-old curious girl who studies in class 8. She lives in the city and has gone to visit her uncle in their native village. Kabir, Sanya's brother, a 14-year-old boy who helps Sanya contemplate things and perform various activities. Uncle, Sanya's uncle, a farmer whose age is about 40 years. He helps Sanya form an understanding about things.
Hi friends, I'm Sanya. We have met before, haven't we? Well, today I'm on my way with Kabir Bhaiya and uncle to meet my aunt in her village. Hey, look Bhaiya, where are they taking that train? Oh, and they are filling something inside the train. What is that?
Yes, Sanya, I have read about this somewhere. This is called shunting. During shunting, they clean the train and prepare it for the next journey.
Yes, you are absolutely right, Kabir. The most important part of shunting is checking the train for any technical fault and refueling it.
What is fuel, uncle?
Fuel is the food for a machine. All vehicles for running require fuel, like you fill cars with petrol or diesel.
Oh, okay.
Sanya, do you know petrol is a natural resource? It is produced by nature and is available in limited quantities.
Yes, and it takes millions of years to be produced. Nature takes this long to produce petrol and diesel from a substance called petroleum.
Petroleum? And how is this petroleum made? Friends, will you help find out more about this?
Sanya, do you know on which fuel did the trains run during the older times?
Yes, uncle, I know about it. Friends, can you guess what that fuel is? That's coal.
You are absolutely right, Sanya. Okay, Sanya. Let's see how much you know about renewable natural resources and non-renewable natural resources. I will show you some pictures. You will need to identify and categorize the natural resources as renewable or non-renewable. Okay, let's start.
Friends, I need your help in identifying. Will you help me? Uncle, I know that petrol, diesel and coal are non-renewable resources that are constantly depleting due to high utilization and they cause a lot of pollution too.
That is true. But do you know, many things are made from coal.
Friends, can you refer to your textbooks and list the things that are made from coal and what uses they serve?
So you see, coal is an important product. While it can be used by itself to fuel trains etc., its products such as coal tar is used to make the modern day roads. Nowadays, owing to the excessive use of petrol, diesel etc., we can see an increase in pollution and also a surge in petrol and diesel prices.
Friends, do you think there can be a solution for this?
One solution is vehicles running on gas. I remember Papa got a CNG kit installed in the car. Our car now runs on CNG as well.
Oh yes, CNG is cheaper and leads to lesser pollution.
Absolutely right, children. These days, scientists are actively researching for new resources of fuel that will not cause pollution. Children, do you know any other sources of fuel? Can you think of an alternate way to run our vehicles?
Uncle, another alternate that I can think of is the battery-powered vehicles and rickshaws.
Do you both know petroleum products not only include LPG and CNG gases, there are other profitable items that are produced and can be put to many uses.
Uncle, petroleum is extracted from an oil rig in the sea, isn't it? Considering that the sea is very big, there still must be a lot of petroleum left for us.
Bhaiya, I think considering that petroleum is a non-renewable resource, sooner or later it will definitely be exhausted. We must be all sensitive of the fact that it takes millions of years to produce natural resources like petroleum that give us fuels like petrol and diesel, and once exhausted, it will be too long before we can get them back. Clean fuels like CNG and LPG are friendly for nature and should be adopted more aggressively.
I agree, Sanya. It is high time we save our planet from problems like pollution, climate change, etc. by using fuels wisely.
Friends, let us review what we have learned so far. We get natural resources like petroleum, coal, etc. from nature, and these sources are exhaustible. Renewable natural resources such as sunlight, wind, etc. are a gift of nature that are inexhaustible. Petroleum products include fuel, gas, wax, oil, natural gas. Coal has forms like coke, bitumen and coal gas. Fuels should be used wisely to avoid the problem of pollution, climate change, etc.